and welcome to this guided body scan relaxation. This is a guided relaxation that I tend to do at the end of all of my classes, and it never fails to make people feel really, really relaxed, centered, calm. It also helps you feel deeply restored in your body, in your mind, and your spirit. So it works by lying in Shavasana, and we draw the mind's attention all around the body, the areas of the body. And as we lie in stillness, Shavasana actually means corpse pose. So we lie really still, almost like the dead. As we lie in stillness, we allow the mind to echo that sense of stillness as we draw the awareness around the body. So this lovely guided relaxation can be done at any time. You can do it after a gym workout, after any other yoga class. It's also really good if you don't want to take a nap but you want to relax, or if you're struggling to get to sleep at the end of the day. So for this practice, you're going to need a blanket and perhaps a block. Now the block is optional. As you lie down in Shavasana on the floor, you can place this block in the middle of the upper back, and it helps to open the chest and the shoulders. Totally up to you. The blanket is so that you can feel really warm and cozy. And like me, I might suggest that you wear some socks and really comfortable clothes that allow you to really relax and settle down. Another option is you can also grab a bolster or some pillows, a bit like this one, and place them under the knees as you lie down in Shavasana. So grab whatever you need, dim the lights, put on some relaxing music if you need to, and when you're ready, we'll begin. So lying down in Shavasana on your back, on the floor. Bring the arms down by your sides with the palms facing up towards the ceiling. Have the legs as wide as you like and allow the feet to roll out at the ankles. You can also rest the hands on the low belly if that feels more natural to you. Gently draw the chin down towards the chest so the back of the neck is nice and long, and close your eyes whenever you're ready, or soften the gaze up towards the ceiling. Begin by gently watching the breath as it flows in and out of the nose or the mouth. And as you gently draw your awareness to your breath, allow the rest of your body to begin to settle into a place of stillness and of quiet. Now together, let's take 3 deep belly breaths in through the nose. And when we're ready to exhale, we'll exhale out slowly through the mouth. So at your own pace, deep belly breath in through the nose. And then exhale out through the mouth. And again, when you're ready, deep belly breath in. And exhale slowly. And again, deep belly breath in. And exhale. And then once again, allowing your breath to settle into its natural rhythm. And watching the breath as it flows. Now I invite you to draw your awareness away from the breath and down into the feet, the ankles, the shins and the calves. And begin to notice any sensations you can feel in each of these areas. The feet, the ankles, the shins and the calves. Tuning in to any subtle sensations in the joints of your body, the muscles, on the skin. Noticing and observing these parts of your body. And then begin to feel them grow heavy and feel them relax. Next, draw your awareness to the knees and the thighs. And begin to notice any sensations you can feel in these parts of the body. The knees, the front of the thighs, the backs of the thighs. And then feel them grow heavy and feel them relax. Next, draw your awareness to the pelvis, the lower belly and the lower back. Once again, noticing any subtle sensations that you can feel in these parts of the body. Noticing without any judgment whatsoever. The pelvis, the lower belly and the lower back. And then begin to feel them grow heavy and feel them relax. Next, draw your awareness to the chest, the upper back where it meets the floor, the shoulders. Begin to notice any sensations you can feel in these parts of the body. The chest, the upper back and the shoulders. And now feel them grow heavy and feel them relax. Next, draw your awareness into the hands and the arms. Beginning again to notice any sensations that you can feel in these parts of the body, the hands and the arms. Noticing without any judgment. And then feel them grow heavy and feel them relax. Next, bring your awareness into the back of the head where it meets the floor, and begin to notice how the back of the head becomes heavier and heavier as you allow it to relax even more deeply into the floor beneath you. And last of all, draw your awareness to the face, making the face blank and expressionless as you begin to allow all of the muscles in your face to grow heavy and to completely relax, smoothing out the space between the eyebrows, relaxing the eyes in their sockets, relaxing the jaw and the tongue in the mouth. Now the whole of the body is heavy and relaxed, heavy and completely relaxed. I invite you to stay here in this place of stillness and serenity, a place of deeply restorative rest for a few moments more. And whenever you're ready, you can begin to take some deeper breaths. And you can begin to gently wiggle the fingers and the toes, bringing your awareness back into your body. Perhaps you begin to gently turn your head from side to side. And now begin to take any intuitive stretches you feel your body needs in this moment. Really listening to what you feel your body wants and how it wants to move. Now, whenever you're ready, keeping the eyes closed, you can gently begin to roll over onto your right hand side. And using the arms as a pillow, rest here in this nurturing and nourishing position for just a few more moments. And whenever you're ready, you can begin to use the hands to gently press you up to a comfortable seat of your choice. And when you get there, if the eyes are still closed, you can take the hands and begin to rub them vigorously together to create some heat. And once they're nice and warm, cup them over your closed eyes and feel the warmth of your hands through the eyelids on your face, your cheekbones. And take a couple of breaths here, maybe gently opening the eyes and closing them a few times. And whenever you're ready, slowly release the hands, open the eyes, and we'll finish our practice with an Om and 3 Shantis. So spread the arms nice and wide, squeeze the shoulder blades together, big stretch. And then as we inhale, reach the arms up above the head, palms come together. Exhale, bring the hands to your heart center in prayer pose. We'll inhale in to begin. Feel free to join me or just listen or silently repeat Om in your mind. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Gently bring your thumbs up between your eyebrows to the third eye and bow your head to honor each other in this amazing practice called yoga. Thank you so much for joining me for this guided relaxation. I hope you feel wonderful. Please do let me know in the comments below.